know something? Honorable Asedin Katia, me headline catcher. Honorable Asedin Katia abandon us at circle. Arise Ghana demonstration. Oje ho. After inciting us the young follow na yamfa akwaje. Never a petition ko yenya ye gya ye kodi na echi no. Ogwan gya ho. Okodu ho na police fo young wise here why a boat kakra na wo pun kakra wo kam gundu anoda na echi ogwan kwai. Emi me did tear gas bebre.
To truck anymore.
Very good. This person is telling you that you're fearless and courageous. Or down here, Jay. Now, Kofu bombard him with tear gas. Yep, one eye and there. Some Jeffika chair and the yen engine of Brassport 1 year program because police from us won't say. Oh, but your mic now, also, Dabby. Yan, I can't bet now, Yabako. Chobo, yea, Yedinachi, who Yedinachi quay. What do you want to walk people coupon or not down or grind quay? Now, what the tear gas would go. At the end of the day, that day, no Papa could be in say. Say with them video no. No share the video no. Papa na nyu say no. Sanka yen kodi asedun ka tie na china na nsama okan a. Nka papa na nyu na one pai. It sende. Oka chodo or fearless and courageous. Nso belly do into 2024 na wako ko a. Hwe wo da achi na hwe won ko. Memo bi yusu. No friend yen popularity. Urban critical better we jana we gwan. Na waka wankasa na won nyame. Me tear gas a midi that day. Pure water yet to the wash yenyim dama na oba na tear gas but on we gwan ko. Okay mu wi a. No happy baby ko don't make that mistake. Saturday our dear delegates. The choice is very clear. Either there mo pede party ni ko nanyim. No win victory for 2024. If a youth conference, the women conference, no better. Delegates have sent one strong message. Say, "Ye penwa wa ye juma, na wa perform." That is why they retain Pablo. I just say, "Ye penwa wa ye juma, na wa perform." That is why they retain Hanabisu. But my attention even on Pablo. They will not fall by propaganda, wicked propaganda. You want to interrogate the crime that doesn't even make sense. It's 17th and 18th Accra Sports Stadium no. Me, I am choosing and I am endorsing and choosing Honorable Samuel Ofosu Ampafo. Obi biara liti no voice in that pay. 2024 elections, you need credible people to lead the charge. Last night American elections, midterm elections now here no. People thought there. Okay. People thought there. Economy now say. Inti them Democrats in fall. But Democrats will call with good message and credible people to lead them like what the former President Obama, former President Clinton, and our one message correct no. They were able to retain the leadership of the Senate. The same way in 2024, credible people like Samuel Ofosu Ampafo, we should retain him. We should retain Samuel Ofosu Ampafo. Why you be that 2008 Obuemo the party number power. 2020 we win 137 seats. From 106 we win 137 seats. Even Yemba 142. Sankanya them etu na dey about 2 year. Those who believe in guns, one waji etu dinu one activity be no call no. 2024 no the ordinary voter no openasum dwe to go and elect a peaceful John Mahama. No for some of lead the odenyim no lead the charge na obeboa. Adokrubi na mpela mde ka ho about Samuel of Swampafo. A branch executive. Branch now what to abano. It come to face. You have an interface with the ordinary electorate voter no. It wasn't a vote when the juma no. A branch executive. Someone for some purpose there obe train over 80,000 branch executives. Send on by man in polling stations, you know. Okay, this is a good policy. It's a very good policy. Other crucial also an appointment of MMDCs now. Also, we make sure that the party structures will be respected. The onions they be a crank saying a well imposed will be aba, but party structures will be respected. I think this is a very good call. It is a Igitobia over this vision. Share 2018. Say 2018 we electing as chairman. Kofi Nyimle honorable Samuel was way to Ashanti region. Inti papa no gina Ashanti region.
We move every otiwo.
Yes, sana match say oba Ashanti region. Papa no wa Ashanti region no. Organizer ho. Atasi. Honorable Ofosuambofo ne presence no. Oche the organizer baby owo no because oye very astute organizer. Urban political party organizational. Samuel Ofosuambofo de Mufua. Onye obi ampero ho. Over that track record to the extent say 2008 no organizational skills no will lead the NDC to claim that victory, that decisive victory in 2008 or the Professor Moss was about power. More to be honest, that's the honorable officer of Webejine baby. Now you have a good communicator. Only most my wakasa. Neka say no what so. On you be a wakasa or them papa na yimba. Or you be a neka say no the income unity in Oziba. No human relationship or you're very solid. Only most when you pay in Kitahudi. I say, into such a person, he doesn't only this. Or you'll be also floating voters, another independent voters. No, what should you soon and buy? Na send on you pedding Kitahudi, the business community. Last meeting be on coffee, young coffee worker. Yeah, no one may briefing was it. The people who came to that meeting are doing the approval of the budget before the approval and also meeting be out here. Some businessmen be out from the banking sector and other business here. Mo Samudi honorable Ofosuambofo from Agora. No chere. Mo ma offending. Ye be more permanent business community mu de fi NDC mu ana. If NDC for one ana. So such a person confirm what's outside kwa would know. As for this man, he is that good. Or what's business I say. And no wonder that Kofi one of honorable Ofosuambofo the policies you know. Also about the business desk. And what the party. Actually, I'm just showing you the linkage. That testimony now, Martin, I'm showing you the linkage with the policy no that by there. He opened that business in I don't cry Martin and yesterday I was furious on one of the platforms. Oh yeah, Sola was saying, yeah, got party I'm an MP before. Yeah, NDC MP for a bribe. Then also see a bribe. Now say boss. Into actually NDC for no more mentality in there. Time be in corrupt. Pablo, yes. How? What's Pablo? He's in bed with the MPP. Pablo, you're this or you're anti-JM, and then getting will poo the money. These are hopeless stories. What I say? Why is it that every time NDC for Mukade, the market partner my MPP, maybe if one top or part one from NDC for? Why is this thing coming from? Why? So every time the NDC are poor. Every time the NDC for the wire poor. No one MP for one register. MP for the one NDC for register you. It's your delegate nearly same down the prayer. These are all lies. And confidence.